What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar, LLC, Mobile Mechanic and Roadside Services. I'm out here in the yard right now, man, and I'm working on my F-250. See this big old beast, the V10 right here, and this is going to be our update to our Harbor Freight welding joints. So check this out. I found some steel pipe laying around. That's my little dude. Hold on, Baba. All right. And we're under here. You can see I took the sawzall to it here, and you can't see the exhaust out the rear because I have it in other places. Where did I put it? There it is. Okay. So I was wondering why I was getting this really deep, throaty sound from my truck without exhaust, right? And then I was like, why does it always smell like exhaust whenever I'm done? And this was it. I didn't cut this, people. This is a muffler. So I'm back on my truck that I don't know if somebody cut it or if it blew apart. I'm really not sure because I haven't seen anything to this extent. Now I know this thing makes a lot of back pressure, but this is a little ridiculous. So I cut it as good as I could using the sawzall. As you can see, I got a blade stuck right here. Some of you guys may know about that, some may not. And that's what we're working with. So let me show you guys how our first weld came out. Alright, so you see the Harbor Freight welding joint. That's a 125 amp. It's been working out pretty good for me, to be honest with you. This is only my second time using it, but I finally figured out what the problem was while my welds were coming out ugly. They were sticking. They are sticking. They're just ugly, right? Like pelican poo-poo. But I got a couple smooth beads on the other side. See if I can flip this over while holding the camera. Oh, take off that ground. Don't you mess up that ground. Okay. Okay. It's my little guy. There we go. Okay. So, they're not the prettiest. I think that's the smoothest one that I have right there. It's gonna hold though, because all the other stuff that I welded, this is my second time using it, but I welded a whole lot of stuff the first day I had it, and I'm finally starting to learn how to lay the beads without it splattering and stuff. So looking forward to this. We're gonna put it back on the truck here in a bit. It's dual exhaust, so I got one more to go, plus I have to weld the other side to the actual exhaust on the truck, and do a couple little test runs, man, and we're gonna go from there. So we'll see how it turns out, y'all.